Yeah, so like yesterday, I don't know what happened, but I don't know, I just don't want to. Well, I think that I kind of did something bad yesterday, but so I can't download a funny video because I don't have a camera. It's my sister.
Oh my gosh.
I'm on my YouTube and so okay, just bye.